What we have here is some black streaks on an RV. This is the painted side here. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. And you can purchase some RV cleaner to remove the black streaks. And I found an alternative method that is equally as effective and considerably less expensive. The method I'm going to use, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison, is taking some white vinegar. I'm going to mix it 75% vinegar and 25% water, and then I'm going to apply it right next to the commercial product and show you there is no difference. And of course you'll want to wash that off immediately. And now for the commercial product. And we'll wash that off as well. Hopefully the camera's picking this up. As you can see, this is the area that wasn't cleaned, and here is the commercial product here and the vinegar here. Hope this helps you out and saves you a considerable amount of money.